You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 59,800. Let's solve it step by step. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify exponents and square roots. 10 to the power of 4 equals 1,000,000. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 6.84 times 1,000,000 equals 68400. Simplify exponents and square roots. 10 to the power of 3 equals 1000. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 8.6 times 1000 equals 8600. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 68,400 minus 8600 equals 59800. And so the final result is 59,800.